sumasabay sa hamon ng buhay. Kahit minsay sumasablay.
Hi guys, this is Rain.
This is Eric.
And it's February 14, so it's our date today.
Ano bang gusto mong sakyan?
Yeah, there's one.
Drop Tower, Vikings.
Definitely not drop tower. I'll go with this one.
Dito naman ako. Okay lang mag-drop tower. Pwede naman, wag na drop tower. Sa akin ka na lang magda-drop.
Swan tayo.
Swan, okay.
Okay, swan tayo. Yun na lang. Tara na.
Hello guys, so nandito kami sa Lakeshore ngayon. At dito namin gagawin yung date namin ni Krisa. Okay, so excited ka na ba?
Yes.
Ano yung mga gusto mong try dito?
Well, eto, yung swan kasi para mag-something ka naman, magkatamping ka na.
Parang sweet naman eh. No? Ayan, sige, ayan.
Ganda yan naman, oh. Let's go there. Ay, Captain.
Kuya! Ah, Happy Valentine's Day! Oh my God, lumalakas na siya! Oh my God! Lumalakas siya! Wait lang! Wait lang! Oh, don't let go of my hand, please! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Okay ka lang? Okay ka lang? Hindi ka natatakot? Baby! Huwag ka matakot, baby! Huwag ka matakot, baby! Grabe. Nung una excited ako eh.
Kaso nabitin ako eh.
Hindi, ako natakot ako. Pero na-reassure naman ako. Kasi sabi niya sasaluhin naman niya ako pag nahulog daw ako. Di ba? Sa akin yan.
Ha? Kaya agaw?
Uy! Uy! Hindi, yan.
Ano gusto mo? Ano gusto mo daw?
The pink one.
Pink. Pink daw po, pink.
Ayun! Thank you po.
Hey!
Ayan guys, so ito na yung last ride namin for tonight. Napagod kasi kami kanina sa mga rides namin, di ba?
So, to end the day, so para chill lang din yung ride, dito namin sa Ferris wheel.
So, kumusta? How's the experience?
It's been good. It's been really great. I love, kahit na nakakatakot, I love the spinner, actually.
Yun yung favorite mo? Yun yung favorite mo?
No!
Ano yung favorite mo doon?
I would say Wonder Wheel, of course, di ba? Wonder Wheel.
Wonder Wheel?
Romantic.
Ako yung pinaka-favorite ko parang ikaw.
Okay, we're so tired right now.
Pagod ka na. Gusto mo na kumain? Gusto
Yeah,
mo na kumain?
kain na tayo. I think we need to get ready na.
Ready?
We need
So
to
get ready with me.
That way we can have a dinner sa
Lake of Love.
Lake of Love.
See you.
See you guys. Thank you so much, ALTV. I had so much fun. Thank you sa experience and na I got the chance na makipag-date on a Valentine's Day. And especially, kasama ko si Yasser.
Masaya ako na sumali ako sa dating show na to. Kasi kundi dahil dito, hindi ko nakilala si Krisa.
It's been fun. Really, really fun. Enjoyable, memorable. I wouldn't think na I would get to know Eric, pero I did. And yeah, we kind of like have things in common, so it's been fun.
I hope na nag-enjoy ka. I hope we keep in touch with each other and matuloy yung mga plans natin.
Punta kayo dito sa Lakeshore. It's a good place na para mag-date, to spend time with family, friends, or with someone na you love. Ganun.
Hahanapin kita.